I'm not a tech genius. I just wanted a big screen for my living room, something for movies and a bit of gaming. But 3 days ago, I noticed something that made my skin crawl. Every time I turned my TV off for the night, the little red power light would blink twice, and then it would turn a solid glowing blue. I checked the manual, thinking it was just a software update, but according to the manufacturer, blue means the camera and the internal microphone are active, but I wasn't using them. I hadn't even set up the voice control. Last night, the house was dead silent. I was lying in bed when I heard a faint, high-pitched hum coming from the living room. I walked out in the dark and saw the TV screen wasn't black anymore. It was a deep, sickly gray, like it was powered on but displaying nothing. I went into the advanced network settings to factory reset the whole thing. That's when I saw a guest user account logged in via a remote bridge. The name of the account wasn't a name at all. It was my own social security number followed by the word live. I pulled the plug and took the back panel off. I'm a cybersecurity student, so I know how to spot hardware that doesn't belong. Hidden right behind the infrared sensor was a second tiny wireless chip soldered directly to the board. I hooked the chip up to my laptop to see where the data was going. It wasn't just sending my watch history to advertisers. It was scanning my entire home Wi-Fi network, pulling every photo, every saved password, and every private document from my phone while I slept. I looked at the Uploads folder on the hidden partition. It was currently sending a live stream of my dark living room to an unknown server. I saw myself, standing there with the screwdriver, looking at the TV. There was a 3-second delay. I've covered every lens in my house now with thick black tape, but sometimes in the middle of the night, when the room is cold, I hear the TV speakers crackle. It's a low, wet sound, like someone is trying to breathe through the static. Unplug your tech when you aren't using it, because if it's smart, it knows exactly who you are, and it's definitely not on your side.